Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel Nath Online Classes. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is present in front of class 10 to discuss subject chemistry with all of you. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Now let us start the discussion. Today I am going to discuss about the advantage of modern periodic table. In these sections I am going to describe about main advantage of modern periodic table that I have written on this whiteboard. Here the main advantage of periodic table are written as below. It made the first advantage is it made the study of chemistry of elements systematic and easy. With the help of this modern periodic table we can study the chemistry of element in systematic and easy way. The second advantage of this modern periodic table is if the properties of an element in a group are known, then the properties of other element of that group can be predicted. If we know the properties of an element in a group, then we can know the properties of other elements with the help of the properties of that group. So this is the second advantage of modern periodic table. The third advantage is the type of compound formed by an element can be predicted by knowing the position in the periodic table. The type of compound formed by an element can be predicted by knowing the position in the periodic table. We can know the acidic, amphotic and basic properties of the element by knowing the positions of that element in the given periodic table. As we know, the oxide of metal is basic and the oxide of non-metal is acidic and in nature, and we also know that by moving across the period from left to right, the metallic properties decreases and the non-metallic properties increases. It helps us to know the properties of the compounds if it combines with other elements such as with oxygen or hydrogen to make oxides and hydrides of the elements. So this is the main advantage of the modern periodic table, that it tells about the basic or acidic natures of the compound formed by the element of given period in a given positions, right? The fourth property is very useful. And why is it useful? Because it is useful to predict the existence of new elements. If there is new elements existed, then with the help of this periodic table we can decide where these elements can be kept in the modern periodic tables. So it is useful to predict the existence of new elements. And the fifth property is atomic masses of many elements have been checked. With the help of this modern periodic table, atomic mass of some elements can be checked or corrected, and corrected on the basis of their properties in the periodic table. And how it takes place? With the help of properties in modern periodic tables, in the properties in the periodic table. So these are the main advantages of the periodic table, modern periodic table introduced by Moseley. That's why it is accepted. Till today I am going to stop my discussions up to here. In the next video I will meet again with some new interesting video. Till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.